Well, right now, 18-year-olds can buy tobacco items, but several delegates have introduced bills to increase the age to 21. They say this will keep vapes and cigarettes out of schools and teens from some of the long-term health problems smoking could bring.
Sometimes they're addicted for life.
Virginia Beach Delegate Chris Dawley is helping lead the charge to keep all tobacco products out of the hands of young people. Legislators say teen use is a rising healthcare problem.
We know that young kids that get exposed to tobacco products get hooked on nicotine. Young have a very difficult time taking and breaking that addiction.
Stolly and several lawmakers have introduced bipartisan legislation in the General Assembly. They want to ban the sale of tobacco items for customers under the age of 21.
We know that about 80% of seniors graduating have already reached their 18th birthday. If you ask folks where they get their first tobacco products from, the majority of them say they've gotten it from other students in school.
That's the story of Jack Strickland. He started smoking at just 16.
It's just the culture, I guess. Everyone was smoking cigarettes.
The now 28-year-old says he smokes about a pack a day. He agrees with the proposed bill.
I think you can make more decisions like that. I do worry about it, and I know it's a health risk.
But some people disagree.
I think if you're old enough to go to war, you probably ought to be old enough to smoke.
For stores that may lose business if this passes,
I don't think that we can look at this in isolation and say, how does this just impact a local business? We need to look at this from a broader perspective and say, how does this impact public health?
Delegate Stolly says it'll be about 2 to 3 weeks before the legislation gets voted on in the General Assembly.